subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Realme C33 is now official in India with quite premium looking design. Talking about the specifications, the Realme C33 features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a large 88.7% screen to body ratio. The phone is powered by Uni-SoC T612 chipset, paired with Mali G57 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 3 or 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 32 or 64GB of UFS 2.2 storage that is further expandable up to 1TB for a dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme C33 supports a vertically aligned dual camera setup at the top left corner that includes a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture along with the 0.3MP secondary lens with f2.8 aperture. For selfies, it has 5MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 out of the box with Realme UI S Edition skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro-USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.2 by 75.7 by 8.3mm, and it weighs around 187 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme C33 has been priced in India for 3GB plus 32GB storage variant at 8,999 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 64GB storage option is priced at 9,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in aqua blue, night sea, and sandy gold color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme C33 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.